Good morning students, I am Mrs. Preeti Sharma, your maths teacher. Today we will start with the chapter 11, Basic Geometrical Concepts. In Basic Geometrical Concepts, we will study the different parts: line, ray, line segment and about the plane, angles and its types, polygons, closed figures and triangles. So first of all, we will come to the point definitions of line, ray, line segment and plane. Line. All of you know about the line. A line segment, which is a fixed part, which extends on both sides infinitely, is called a line. Look at the figure. Here I have drawn a line segment and I put the two arrows at the corner, which represent that we can extend this part from both the sides, and it is called a line. It represented as a AB with head having the line with two arrows. These two arrows shows that we are extending the line from both the sides. Second, ray. A ray is a part of a line which extend infinitely only in one direction. Look at the figure. Here I have drawn a ray and make an arrow only in one direction, which represent that we are extending the ray that in one direction. It represents as OX with head line having a one side arrow. Third is a line segment. A line segment which has two endpoints means it is of fixed length. For example, when we draw a line of 2 cm or 3 cm or 3.5 cm, that fixed length line is called line segment. And here example XY, which I have drawn the line of the 3 cm, where X and Y are the two end points of this line, and it is represented as XY with line having the 2 points on head. The fourth one is a plane. A plane is what? Where we draw the diagram or figure, or where we can write, that flat surface represent a plane. I have written on the board. So board is a very good example of the plane. So plane is always be in the form of the rectangular figure. Your page is also an example of plane. Now we will study about the angles. 3 non-collinear points in a plane determine an angle. Non-collinear points means which are not on the same line, they are at the different places. Two rays, or we can say an angle formed by the two rays with a common end points. Look at the figure. OA and OB are the two rays which have a common vertex O or common endpoints O, and it is represented as angle AOB. O I have written in the center. It means we are talking about the angle O. Here the rays OA and OB are the two rays, and O is the vertex of the angle. Now in the second part of this basic geometrical concept, we will study about the types of the angles, polygons and triangles. Okay, thank you.